Hello guys, in this video, we'll first create a new Unity project called the Book. After this, we'll import Vuforia package, and then we'll add the Vuforia license key inside our camera. So first, for creating a new Unity project, I've opened Unity Hub. Next, I'll click on the new drop-down. I'll select Unity version 2019.4.2. Next, I'll give this project a name of our book. I'll data create. So our book Unity project is created. And after creating this project, next we'll import the Vuforia package inside this. So to do this, I'll open a browser. And I'll go to Vuforia's developer website. So I'll type in developer.vuforia.com. Next, I'll log into my Vuforia account. So I'll click on the login link. And next, I'll enter my email address and the password. After this, I'll hit login. After logging in, next I'll go inside the download stamp. And from the download stamp, we'll download Vuforia package. So now, as you may notice, the latest version of Vuforia is still Vuforia 9.2.8. And in our 1 section, we have seen that this Vuforia package 9.2.8 basically contains some bugs, because of which it was not getting imported inside a Unity project. And after some time, a Unity project basically got hanged. So instead of downloading this package and importing it manually inside Unity, we will try the alternate technique of adding view for the registry manually, which read it inside the R1 section. So to do this, I'll open the library vuforia.com link. Okay, so I'll provide this link in the resource section, so you can check it from there. After this, I'll scroll down to the alternate technique. Next, I'll copy this scope registry score. So I'll copy the code from line number 2 to line number 10. Okay, including this comma. After this, I'll copy this code. Next, I'll open my book project. So inside r_Vuforia, I have my book project. So I'll open it now. In case you don't know where your project is created, so you can open Unity Hub. Click New, select any of the Unity version. After this, you can click on these 3 dots, and from here you can find out the location where your project is created. Okay, so I already know the location of a project. So after opening our book, next I'll open the packages folder. After this, inside packages, I'll open the manifest.sin file. So these are basically the same steps which we have performed inside our one project for importing of Vuforia package. Next, below this opening curly bracket, I'll paste the scope registries called. I'll press Commanders to save this. After this, I'll open my book project. Next, for downloading before, this time I'll click on Windows Package Manager and will basically download of the Vuforia package from the package manager. So all the packages inside the package manager loaded. Next, I'll scroll down, I'll select the Unity Engine R. Now inside this as well, you can see that Unity version 9.2.8 is showing as the latest version. But as I mentioned few minutes back, because this version has bugs inside it, so that's why we didn't download it from the Vuforia website. So instead of this version, I'll click on Show All Versions, and I'll select the Vuforia version 9.2.7 as this version works properly. So with this version selected, I'll click Install to install Vuforia inside my Unity project. So the Vuforia engine or package 9.2.7 is installed inside my Unity project. So next, I'll close my case manager. After this, I'll resave this sample scene by a new name of our book. And I'll save that our book scene inside Data Files folder. To resave it, I'll click on File. I'll then click on Save As. Now inside Assets, I'll create a new folder. Name of the files. Inside Data Files, I'll create another folder and name of scenes. I'll hit Create, and inside the Scenes folder, I'll save the scene or name of our book scenes. Okay, so the scene which is opened right now is our book scene, which is inside Data Files and the Scenes folder. Okay, after this, I'll delete the main camera. And I'll replace the main camera with the R camera. So I'll click on the plus side. I'll go in Vuforia engine our camera. So our camera is added. After adding our camera, next we'll test our camera output. So to do this, I'll click on the play button. And as I do this, you should see the webcam output in the play mode. So now in the play mode, you can see the output of my webcam. So in front of my webcam, I've kept this our book cover. Okay, that is basically, I've kept our book in front of the camera. So I'll come out of play mode. After this, we'll copy the license key, or we'll add the license key to our camera. So with our camera selected, I'll click on Open Vuforia Engine Configuration. Now before doing that, as you can see on top over here, I'm getting this link of upgrade to Vuforia Engine 9.2.8 via Package Manager. So I won't click on this link right now because we know that Vuforia Engine 9.2.8 version has some bugs inside it. So unless and until the bugs are resolved, I'll suggest you not to upgrade to Vuforia Engine 9.2.8 version. And as I was saying with our camera selected, I'll click on Open Vuforia Engine Configuration. And over here we have to paste the license key. Now this time, for jumping directly to the License Manager page, I'll click on the Add License button. And this will take us to the License Manager page. But the only problem over here is that the link is open inside Safari, and I've signed into Vuforia account inside Chrome. So I'll copy this link. I'll open it inside the Chrome browser. And as I do this, you will see that I'm automatically signed in, and I'm directly inside the License Manager page. Now for this particular our book project, I won't create a new license key, and I'll reuse this our one license key, as we can reuse the same license key in multiple projects. So I'll open the R1 license key. I'll then click on this license key to copy it. After this, I'll open Unity, and I'll paste the license key over here. Okay, so after pasting the license key, we do not have to do anything, as the license key automatically gets linked to a Unity project. So guys, after pasting the license key, I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.